You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. You should now be able to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, since the whole car is connected to the minus terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your car's electrical system. Using an 8mm wrench, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Remove the rubber protection from the positive terminal. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. To remove the battery, you have to unscrew the support bar. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, fully unscrew the holding bolt of the battery clamp. You can now remove the battery clamp. You can now remove the battery. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connections, but also to limit oxidation development. Take the new battery. Put the battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. If you want to know which parts and tools we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with an 8mm wrench. Put the rubber protection back on. Then put the negative terminal back on. Insert it fully before fixing it in place with the wrench. Put the battery clamp back in place. Then finish off tightening with the ratchet. Operation complete.